The triangle composition technique is a foundational concept in visual arts and photography, used to create balanced and engaging images. By arranging subjects or elements in a triangular formation, artists and photographers guide the viewer's eye through the frame, establishing a sense of harmony and stability. This approach not only helps in posing individuals or groups, but also enhances the overall aesthetic appeal of the composition. Triangles can be subtle or pronounced, and their presence often adds depth and interest to a scene. The technique is valued for its ability to convey structure and intentionality, making images feel thoughtfully crafted. Whether in portraiture or broader visual design, the triangle composition remains a powerful tool for achieving pleasing and dynamic results. To create a visually appealing triangle shape with your body, start by positioning one hand firmly on your hip. This helps to define one side of the triangle. Next, lift your other arm so that your hand gently touches your hair, forming the second point. Your torso acts as the base, completing the triangle. This pose not only adds interest to your silhouette, but also creates dynamic lines that draw attention. Make sure your posture remains relaxed and natural to avoid stiffness. Adjust the angle of your arms and torso as needed to enhance the triangular effect. The triangle pose is renowned for its ability to generate dynamic lines within an image. By extending the limbs and angling the torso, this pose creates strong diagonal shapes that draw the viewer's eye across the composition. These lines add a sense of movement and energy, making the image feel more engaging. Additionally, the elongated posture and strategic placement of the arms and legs help to visually lengthen the body. This results in a slimming effect, as the pose emphasizes vertical and diagonal lines rather than horizontal ones. The interplay of these elements not only enhances the overall aesthetic, but also flatters the subject's silhouette. In summary, employing the triangle composition in posing offers a simple yet powerful way to enhance visual appeal. By arranging limbs and body angles to form triangles, subjects appear more dynamic and balanced within the frame. This technique naturally guides the viewer's eye and creates a sense of harmony. It can also help flatter the subject by emphasizing their best features and creating pleasing lines. Whether used in portrait, fashion, or group photography, the triangle composition consistently leads to more engaging and professional-looking results. Ultimately, mastering this approach can elevate the overall impact of any photograph.